as more and more people aspire to have a comfortable and convenient lifestyle where everything is within reach. A place where you can live, work, learn, and play has become a necessity. Fortunately, integrated modern living is now a thing, with a development in the south of Metro Manila that offers a seamless fusion of this lifestyle that you've always imagined. Given its access and proximity to other urban centers, Las Piñas City is a thriving district in the south with an exciting mix of business, commercial, and infrastructure developments. And at the center of it all is the SM South Mall Integrated City, a master plan community project of the SM Group of Companies. Located along the main thoroughfare of Las Piñas City, the SM South Mall Integrated City is a sprawling 20-hectare lifestyle city that houses residential condo development SMDC South Residences, SM South Tower, an office building, and a premier mall, SM South Mall. This complex is primed for development. BPOs have been setting up shop within the vicinity, and a number of key corporations have relocated to nearby Alabang and Parañaque City. All these are merely a ride away, with a transportation terminal situated within the lifestyle city. SM South Mall Integrated City is also close to a number of good schools and universities, making it an ideal place to raise a family. SM South Mall serves as the center of activity in this lifestyle city. With a floor area of 200,000 square meters, it has over 350 retail, dining, leisure, and entertainment choices. You can definitely shop the latest trend, go on a food adventure, or just do what you love to do. Tell us about how SM South Mall is really the premier destination here in the South.
Well, we have evolved the whole mall to be like a live, work, play environment. It's now a very dynamic complex.
Right. So let's talk first about the cuisine and the dining experience that you offer in SM South Mall.
Yes, we have like all the different flavors for the different palettes. We have anything you can think of. Like we have American, Chinese, Italian, anything that you crave for. Milk teas, we have it here. So I'm sure you're not going to run out of options when you go to South Mall.
So yes, the shopping as well in SM South Mall has expanded massively. So tell us about what you have now.
Well, the mall is home to international brands such as Mango, H&M, with the largest only home store of H&M in the South. And we have Charles & Keith, Terra Nova, and many more retail stores. It's complete with anything and everything you need, from fashion to apparel to gadgets to lifestyle or hobby needs, daily essentials and items from the home. We also have the biggest SM store in the South.
Okay, and I heard you have major plans in the leisure and entertainment department, all being constructed now. Tell us about that.
Yes, we're doing a lot of construction. Our complex has the first mall perimeter running track in the South. We offer a wide variety of entertainment for families and friends, and we also have the only trampoline park in the South. And we offer like different cinemas for your choosing, such as IMAX. We have 2 directors clubs already with plush leather recliners and in-house butler service, and we're utilizing the latest in digital sound, so our cinemas have full audio of the Dolby Atmos. Currently, we are doing our renovation for the bowling center. That's going to be relocated on the 3rd floor, along with other activities like archery, ping pong. We have virtual reality concepts there. And we're also going to have an indoor basketball court inside the mall, as well as a multi-event venue hall where we're going to hold concerts and different things there. So it's everything for the family. We still have our cyber zone there.
Let's talk about the SM integrated city concept. I feel like this is the future of really where SM is going, and you have it here in SM South Mall.
Yeah, so we are pretty much your destination. You live here, you work here, and you play here, and you also shop here. So our integrated city concept provides like a 360-degree lifestyle for our residents. You can wake up to have a jog around the complex and hold your business meetings, and when you're done, you can end the day in the mall. You can eat in the restaurants and watch a movie with your friends, and all within stone's throw away from where you live. So that's the whole plan for this whole complex that we have.
With the South fast becoming known as the next ideal location for businesses, the SM South Tower provides office spaces with its 21,700 square meter of leasable area. Aside from the Sky Garden that provides the perfect respite from the daily grind, SM South Tower also houses retail tenants that serve the whole community, such as restaurants, a medical city clinic, and convenience stores. Tell us about when you decided to hold office here in South Tower.
We have to look into usually the site image, the history of the place itself. SM, of course, has built its mark already in terms of building and operating mall clinics. Next will be the demographics. We need to know who our clients will be, how close they are to the location, and at the same time, the community surrounding the location itself, the infrastructure, the safety of the building, knowing that it's SM made, so that would entail safety also, and the requirements that we need to support our clinic operation. The parking and accessibility is also important for us.
Over 2 years here in South Tower, how has the experience been?
We're more than happy to be here. In 2 years, we were able to build a good rapport with our clientele, mostly coming from the South Residences, also the neighboring areas around Alabang Zapote Road, and institutions and schools as well. So we have them, and also employees coming from the offices of the South Tower as well.
Right, that's right. So all the offices na meron sa inyo na din nagpapa-clinic job. What can you say about how convenient everything is? Like, for example, you are in an office tower that's beside the mall, that's a few steps away from the South Residences and all these other villages.
We're more than privileged to have an allocation that is located centrally. We're very near the parking lot, which is very accessible, not just for the patients, but for our staff as well. We are near a terminal hub. The commute is very easy, and we can also cater to mga patients coming from provincial areas, coming from Laguna and Cavite. The mall naman, when, of course, at this time of pandemic, I'm sure there is still question about safety of going to the hospital. Now, while they're doing their errands, both grocery and shopping, they can just visit our clinic for their health concerns. For the residences, they can just walk over and go to our clinic to address, of course, care and service that they would want us to give them.
Now, imagine having a home that has all the convenience of this integrated community. Well, that's possible, as your ideal living can be found in the South. With SM Development Corporation's commitment to provide integrated urban living comes South Residences. Strategically located within the SM South Mall integrated city, South Residences promise its residents access to convenient living. South Residences is a 4-tower, 15-story development that provides premium living space and amenities that are perfect for you and your family. Lounge at the spacious lobby, take a dip at the pool, or relax at the garden seats. Enjoy all these while you're in the safety of your own community. You were telling me earlier before the interview that you do live dito sa South.
Yes.
And you just decided to move from a house to a condo. Tell
Yes.
us about that.
Dahil single ako, mas prefer ko na mag-condo na lang. Tapos dito kasi, very convenient kasi katabi ko lang yung mall. Yan, so lahat ng kailangan ko nandito lang din. Tsaka nakakapag-concentrate ako sa work ko. 3 to 5 minutes lang. Kaya sobrang advantage sa akin yung SMDC kasi lahat malapit sa akin.
We were talking about it earlier as well na safety and security was a major factor why you decided to invest dito sa South Residences.
Oo. Pag dito ka, sobrang secured ka kasi hindi naman makakapasok basta-basta sa unit mo kung sino-sino lang eh. Tsaka sobrang higpit ng security nila dito.
So let's talk about your units.
Okay naman so far, as in wala namang hassle. Yung isa hindi pa lang nito-turn over, yun yung investment ko. Kasi pwede ko siyang parentahan.
So for residential and for investment was your purpose?
Yes.
How about your unit? What do you love doing in your unit, the layout?
Siguro yung sa hapon. So, malamig kasi. Hindi mo siya kailangan ng sobrang aircon. I'm in 9th floor eh. So, pag dunga mo sa bintana, maganda yung makikita mo. So, nakaka-relax.
Yeah.
Yun.
It's a good thing also And you mentioned what you do in the morning here around the premises.
Masarap mag-ikot kasi yung halaman dito magaganda. Tapos safe ka pa.
Balita ko, you are a frequent visitor. Yun na lang, visitor.
Yes.
Frequent visitor of the mall, si Miss K.
Oo, medyo. Pangalawang tahanan ko from yung SM South Mall. Kasi dahil sa business ko, so halos lahat ng mga materyales, kailangan ko mag-purchase lahat. Dahil medyo marami rin akong empleyado, so yung ibang mga needs nila, like mga personal needs, so sa akin din dumadaan.
But you also frequent the grocery. How often do you go back?
Ngayon hindi na masyado, pero before, every day.
Wow, every
Yes.
day. You mean pre-quarantine?
Yes, every day.
Okay. It's so convenient that you walk. Like how many minutes would you say from your unit to the grocery or to the
Mabilis kasi ako maglakad. Siguro 2 to 3 minutes lang.
If ever would you say that buying a unit here in South Residences is a good investment?
Of course naman. Especially kung dito ka lang din sa area. Tsaka, I think, kung katahimikan yung hanap, parang dito sa South, based on experience, at peace ako dito. Sabi nga, andito yung puso ko.
Following the success of the first South Residences development, SMDC introduces its latest project, the South 2 Residences. Encompassing 2.1 hectares, the 3-tower 15-story development is also part of the SM South Mall integrated city, making it a home of choice for those who seek a dynamic lifestyle in an accessible and safe location. South 2 Residences offers 5-star features and amenities for those who seek comfort and luxury. Be amazed at the hotel-like grand lobby and function rooms. Unwind at the majestic pools, landscaped areas, gazebos, or playgrounds. Or simply step out of your home to experience the full range of lifestyle options available within the integrated community. So if you're looking for that ideal home in the South that brings you closer to everything you need, a real estate investment that offers a lot of growth potential given the dynamic lifestyle of its community, South 2 Residences is exactly the development that you'd want to look into. With the fusion of residential, commercial, business, education, and transportation in just one place, you will be close to everything that you need right where you live. I'm Bianca Gonzalez, and thank you for joining us for this special episode of Modern Living TV.